Hi, we're the third grade teachers at Highland Park Elementary School. I'm Mrs. Lyle.
I'm Mrs. Thornberry.
And I'm Miss Turnipseed.
We are looking so forward to your students coming and learning a lot with us this year.
It's going to look a little bit different. No, it's going to look a lot different this year, but we're still going to have fun and let our light shine.
See you on August 10th.
It is very important that your child is present and on time each day. If your child is sick or has a doctor's appointment, please send a doctor's note to school in their communication folder the next day. If your child shows symptoms of COVID-19, please keep them at home. When your child is absent, he or she misses important skills that need to be made up. If your child is out for several days, he or she may need to work at recess to catch up. Early sign-outs for doctor's appointments need to be kept to a minimum. Our school's attendance goal is 95% daily.
School rules. The school-wide discipline plan will be followed. This ensures a positive learning environment for everyone. Here are our 3 school rules. Be ready, be safe, and be kind. Students earn tickets for positive behaviors and are rewarded in class with prizes and treats weekly and monthly with school-wide events. Contact with parents will be made as needed for disruptive behaviors that are not ready, not safe, and not kind. Thank you for your support of our Ready, Safe, and Kind program.
Each week, we will be sending home a newsletter with your child. This newsletter will contain important dates coming up, information on what your child is learning each week, which set of math facts we are working on, spelling words, and dates for any upcoming tests. On the back of the newsletter, you will find your child's weekly homework. Homework is optional.
While students may take tests any day of the week, our most common testing day will be on Fridays. While it is important for your child to attend school every day, we highly encourage you to not let your child miss any Fridays.
Students may bring devices to school to use for academics. Please help your child make sure the device is charged, as we do not have a charging station. It is your child's responsibility to keep up with the device and to use it properly. These need to be kept in backpacks and cubbies during the day unless given permission by the teachers.
Your child has a communication folder that should come home each night and be returned each morning. Please check this folder daily as we have something to send home most days. This is also where you will find our 3rd grade newsletter that will keep you up to date on what skills and standards your child is working on. This is the place for you to send notes, money, etc. There are several ways to contact the teachers. We have email, Remind, a 3rd grade Facebook page, or you may always call us if needed. The school's phone number is 931-388-7325.
Your child may bring a healthy snack daily. This will be a working snack, so it will need to be something they can eat with their hands. Great snack ideas are granola bars, fruit, dry cereal, fruit snacks, chips, etc. We do not share snacks in case of allergies. It is encouraged that your child brings a water bottle to school each day, as our water fountains will be off limits due to COVID-19.